Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hassan Akhtar and I am student of MS Management Sciences. I completed my thesis under the supervision of Dr. Adnan Riaz, Assistant Professor, Allama Iqbal Open University, Islamabad. The topic of my study was to know the impact of person-environment fit on deviant workplace behavior with the mediation effect of job strain and moderating role of self-esteem. The model was basically based on the theories. The person-environment fit theory evaluates and the way in which the interaction of personal characteristics and of work. The person-environment fit can be defined as it's a degree between you and your work environment. And the deviant workplace behavior, we can say that it's the deviation from the norms, violates significant organization norms. For example, if I am coming late to my office, if I am stealing the public property, if my behavior is rude, any other negative effect can be called deviant behavior. My model investigates the mediating role of job strain to elaborate its effect and to clarify the nature and strengths of a relationship between person-environment fit and deviant behavior. The study also focuses upon one moderator as self-esteem. Now I can say that self-esteem is very nearly linked with the tawakkul in Islam. And self-esteem is said to be a crucial driver in avoiding deviant attitude. The person-environment fit can be categorized, I can say it has different types: person-work fit, person-organization fit, person-group fit, and the person-supervisor fit. On the other hand, the deviant behavior has also some main types: destructive behavior, asocial behavior, and unlawful behavior. In my study, I distributed two types of questionnaire, one for the employees and the other for the supervisor of the concerned employee. In the questionnaire for the employees, there was three variables: the person-environment fit, self-esteem, and job stress. And this questionnaire for the supervisor was consisting of the questions about deviant behavior. This is basically I choose just because of to avoid the social acceptable responding and self-responding bias. The study followed by a survey design and was conducted in the public sector organizations which are located in the Islamabad and Rawalpindi. In my study, I distributed around about 320 questionnaires, and after screening from the all questionnaires, 244 questionnaires were completed at all aspects. That's why I analyzed the 244 responses in SPSS, and after the results of correlation and other NOVA analysis, it was found that all the relations which were hypothetically assumed, which was my hypothesis, was correct and was significant and positive and negative where it was necessary. After analyzing the data by correlation analysis and regression analysis, it is evident, it is found that the person-environment fit, job strain, and self-esteem are the strong predictors of workplace deviance. This means that if any organization wants to increase the productivity, the efficiency, the dedicated work, in the workplace, they should promote the person environment fit, job strain and self. The relationship between job strain and deviant behavior was significantly positive, but if the self-esteem is high, self-respect is high, self-value is high, then that relation between job strain and deviant behavior will become weak and will be negative on the basis of self-esteem. Thank you so much, and I will say that this all work was completed with the help of my supervisor. I learned a lot from him. Jazakallah. Thank you so much.